Hello traders, welcome back to another trade update. So far so good for the week. Here I have AUD USD, like I analyzed before the beginning of the week. So on Friday 28th of February, we had the market close here. So I was saying we need a pullback in order to sell this trade. But so far so good, we have not gotten any trade for the week. So that is why I want to do a trade update. Every Wednesday I'll be trying to do trade updates. So let's go. So I was saying we'll have maybe Monday pullback, Tuesday pullback, then on Wednesday we'll have the drop. So as you can see, we have perfectly seen the pullback to the T. Now we are now at the area of interest. So we don't just want to sell like that. So I want to see more candle confirmations before I sell, because as you can see, obviously you can see the market is on an uptrend, getting up to the zone, and I do not want to be involved on the sell trade when the market is bullish. So I want to see a market structure shift, be a pullback, pull to the upside again. So I want to see something like this in order for me to place a sell market on AUD USD. So that is for AUD USD. It's still lining up very well. So let's go to the other ones. I have USD CHF. So last week we saw USD CHF closing above this area of interest. So I was anticipating that if the price by Monday I want to see a close above, then a retest at least at 0.90441, then to take the price to the upside. But as you can see, price did the opposite. Because on the weekly, I was also looking at the weekly time frame because the weekly was bullish. The moment the price tapped on the weekly support zone and gave her this weekly hammer candle, I was convinced that this price was going to move to the upside. But unfortunately, as you can see, the price waved down to the downside. So as you can see right here, now looking at a price action, there was something I saw. This over here, this price action over here, if it was supposed to happen below the area of interest, I would have sold USD CHF for sure. 100% I would have sold USD CHF. But with the technical, the way I trade, if price is above the area of interest, as you can see here, if price is above the area of interest and the EMA is below, there's every tendency that the price will fake out and move to the upside. But so because of that, I didn't take the trade. Rather, I was waiting for a proper pullback again to take this trade to the downside. But as you can see, price went straight to the downside without any pullback. So that was how we missed out on that. And again, the daily closed below a new structure point. So what am I waiting for on USDCHF? It might not happen today. I want a daily candle close into this zone, accepting this price action, accepting this price range, which is 0.89310. Then before we can look for a push to the downside. We had the CPI on USDCHF in CHF CPI today. It didn't do that much in the market, so let's be expecting a push to the upside. So what I want to see is something similar to a bullish market to the upside. Then I want to see us flip bearish so that I can take the market to the downside. That is for USD CHF. Then again, we have Euro USD. Euro USD was very tricky this week, but we avoided the loss. So Euro USD was here was here. We closed on Friday bearishly on the Euro USD, so I was expecting a pull back to the area of interest, a very clean area of interest, then to continue selling Euro USD. But as you can see, we closed bullishly above the zone, and currently the Euro USD is still pushing aggressively to the upside, and I don't even think Euro USD can pull all the way back to 1.05007 before moving to the upside. So if the daily can still close bullish like this, I'll be aiming at this zone around the 1.06019 for trend continuation of Euro USD. But as for now, I'm neutral on Euro USD. Euro USD, I'm not so interested on Euro USD here. Then now let's go to GBP JPY. So GBP JPY has been dancing all over the place. As you can see, GBP JPY tried to push to the downside. Like I said last week, I want to see a break, retest, then before sell. But as you can see, it tried to break, but it couldn't. Then we moved to the upside, closing bullishly again. So I so much believe that the market is going to break and retest around 192,655 for us to continue to buy GBP JPY. Until price does that, we don't do anything. The price is still on this range, so we have to wait for price to break out of that range. It's that simple. It's fine if you don't get any trade this week. Preserve your capital. So again, we have USD card. USD card for me is out of the point, because let me show you what I saw. Let's go to the monthly time frame. No, weekly. Let's try monthly. So as you can see on the monthly, based on technical analysis, there is no price action to the left side I can work with. And as you can see in the past, any moment the price gets to this area around 1.47066, you see a sharp move to the downside. Here again, a sharp move to the downside. So here again, we should expect a sharp move to the downside. Technically, there is nothing I can do here. Sentimentally, there is nothing I can also do here. But fundamentally fundamental analysis can maybe push the market to the upside, but not until we get that move to the upside. I'm neutral on this pair, because if you check on the daily, you see price has been ranging here, ranging. So I so much believe USD card is going to sell. All these are just fake cards. All these are fake cards. USD card is, I believe, is going to sell, but I do not want to predict market. I only want to react. So USD card is out. I'm not trading USD card again for the week. So the ones I am interested in are these two. AUD USD should be above. I'm interested in AUD USD. That is lining up pretty very good. Now we are at the area of interest. I just want to see more good price action in order for me to take the trade to the downside. So this is the trade update so far on the week. We haven't taken any trade. Still waiting for the perfect setup. I mean, a setup that looks like this. You know, you have to repeat what makes you money in the market. A setup that looks like this. If I see a price action that looks like this on AUD USD, tell me why I wouldn't take that trade. So I will wait patiently to see something that looks like this, then I will take the trade. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and share, and also like. Thank you. See you next time.